What if you could launch an online business in just a few days without building everything from scratch, without writing complicated sales copy, and without feeling overwhelmed by tech? Because right now, that's exactly what a lot of people are trying to do, and most of them get stuck before they ever make their first dollar. Let's be real for a second. Starting an online business sounds simple until you actually try it. You need an offer, a landing page, sales copy, emails, payment setup, traffic, and suddenly what felt exciting starts to feel confusing and overwhelming. That's where most people quit. But what if you didn't have to figure all of that out on your own? That's where OpenClaw Cracked comes in. It's a system designed to help beginners and marketers launch an online business faster using a mix of training and AI-powered automation. Instead of spending weeks or even months trying to piece everything together, this platform helps you build the key parts of your business in a much simpler way. At its core, OpenClaw Cracked combines three things. First, a step-by-step onboarding process, so you're not left guessing. Second, a 3-day workshop that walks you through real implementation. And third, an AI-powered engine that helps create your business assets for you. We're talking about things like sales pages, landing pages, email sequences, video sales scripts, and even your core marketing message, all generated faster with less manual effort. The biggest advantage here is speed. Instead of getting stuck in learning mode, you actually start building. And instead of trying to master copywriting, design, and tech all at once, you get tools that help you move forward, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's quickly break down how it works. You start with the setup phase, where everything is installed and connected properly. No guesswork. Then comes the onboarding, which shows you exactly how to use the system without feeling lost. After that, you go through a 3-day workshop where you see how everything fits together in real time. And finally, you get access to the cash flow engine, which is where the real magic happens. This is where you generate high-converting copy, attention-grabbing hooks, sales page structures, and even your core marketing message, all designed to help you actually sell something, not just build something. Another strong point is flexibility. You're not locked into one type of business. You can use this system for things like freelance service arbitrage, print-on-demand products, local lead generation, digital product reselling, even faceless YouTube channels. So whether you want to sell services, products, or content, you have options. Now, let's be honest, this is not a magic button. You're not going to press a few clicks and suddenly make thousands overnight. You still need to take action, stay consistent, and actually follow the process. But what this does is remove a lot of the friction that usually stops people from getting started. This is especially useful if you're a beginner who feels overwhelmed, you struggle with writing copy or building pages, you don't want to deal with complicated tech, or you just want a faster way to test a business idea. If that sounds like you, and you've been putting off starting your online business because it feels too complicated, then this might be worth checking out. I've left more details in the description below so you can take a closer look and see if it fits what you're trying to do. At the end of the day, the hardest part isn't learning, it's starting. And sometimes having the right system can make that first step a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.